guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are in Epcot and we are on a mission. We are here to meet Asha. She has a brand new character meet in the World Showcase. We're also going to say hi to some Disney princesses as Akershus. I hope I pronounced that correctly. So come on, let's have some fun.
I don't know. We must find it. The concert is tonight. Excuse me. The show's about to start.
So we are in luck, guys. Asha is here. She doesn't have any set times to meet her. It's just between 9 to 4:15 every day here at Epcot World Showcase. We're right next to Disney Traders when you first come in to the World Showcase. But I'm really excited to meet her. Hi, Asha.
Oh my
How are you?
goodness, I love the purple that you have on today. It does look like we're matching.
It does.
You know, my mama says that the color purple means hope. But you know what my favorite part about this dress is?
What is it?
I'll show you. Look. Do you see that symbol?
Yes.
It's actually the symbol for the Kingdom of Rosas. It's known as the Kingdom of Wishes, where people from all over come to have their wishes granted.
Right.
Now, I believe you have a pretty big wish, don't you?
I do.
Now, don't tell me what it is. I want you to keep it very, very close to your heart. Who knows? Magnifico just might make it come true. Now, do you think that we can show off our smiles just as
I think so. Let's do it.
This is very soon.
Thank you.
And welcome to Akershus. My name is Marita, and I'm going to take you over to your table. Is it everyone's first time here?
Yes.
That's amazing. Hope you're excited.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to point at the restroom so you know where to find those for later.
Okay.
But let's head into the castle and get the fun started, right?
Right.
Yeah, come on. Oh, you already excited about the wish?
Yes.
I love that little thing. I saw they made these huge adorable. So we're going to be right.
See any?
It's like Indiana Jones.
All right, guys. So we're in the restaurant. We were just sat down. We're in the main hall here. It's beautiful. I feel like I'm in a castle, and everything here is so family style. So first they're going to bring out pastries and fruit, and then they're going to bring out the main entrees. Oh, something else. I got coffee to start off. The tiramisu and cream, and I also got some orange. Here's our first course. We have pastries. We have cinnamon roll. Looks like some sort of Danish. Then we have ham, salami, a salmon cream cheese spread, a berry compote, and then cheeses. And then we also have some mixed fruit here as well.
Cinderella's over there.
That giant is like Cinderella, that's bad. The Nordic bread is really good. It's like flaky, like a croissant, and then when you serve it with the special berry compote, it's really sweet. I really like it a lot. It's like a flaky croissant, but it's sweet. They also have these like sesame crackers. They're good as well. Kind of like a flatbread. It looks like there's like a little bit of poppy seeds and a little salt. But I suppose they probably work really well with the cream cheese salmon that is also on the plate.
Yes, you like to travel together all the time? Oh, very special. Maybe you could write a whole storybook about your adventures. That way I could read about them too. Oh, wonderful. Can we take a picture? I would love to.
So here we have the main course. So we have some Norwegian waffles. It looks like they're heart-shaped with powdered sugar. We have cheesy potato casserole, eggs, bacon, sausage, and then we also have maple syrup as well. And it is all you care to enjoy as well. Literally all in here at the same time.
Perhaps maybe you could help us to catch beads for my friend Louis the alligator. He has a bit of trouble with his own tiny alligator. Do you think maybe we could smile together today?
Yes. So here we have another pastry. It looks like it's like flaky with chocolate chips. It looks like it's gonna be really good. Try this.
You must have had the help of your fairy godmothers then, is that right? My fairy godmothers always help me to get ready in the morning too. She looks at my size, the color of my eyes, and always chooses bippity boppity boo. My friends, would anyone like a portrait today?
Yeah.
Seeing lots of friends around here too? Wonderful. I see you had a little friend over there.
I do.
We have to keep an eye out for my friend Scuttle too, because he's flying around here somewhere. Probably practicing a singing if I had to guess. Would you like to take any portraits today?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, Snow White.
Oh, how do you do?
Good, how are you?
Good. Oh, I'm having such a wonderful morning. It is so beautiful out today, isn't it? It's beautiful. You know, I'm sure Grumpy was a little less grumpy on his walk to work this morning. Oh, and I even made sure to leave out extra cups of coffee for Sleepy. So hopefully he doesn't have to doze off on the job again. Yeah. Oh, would anyone like to smile for a portrait together? Yes, please.
So we were seated at around 11:15. It's now 11:50, and we've already seen all the princesses. Food has been amazing. The waffles here are fantastic. I would even say, you know, maybe better than a Mickey waffle. I know. Super good. They're thin, but they're soft. They're super flavorful, and then they have a little dusting of powdered sugar. They're really good with the berry compote that they serve with the pastry basket. But overall, I think this is actually a very much underrated breakfast here at Disney. It's only $55, and you can see 5 princesses. Sometimes there's also Aurora as well, so it just kind of depends upon the day. But overall, like I said, we've had our breakfast, we've seen all the princesses, and we haven't even been here for an hour yet. So really, really good. And all the princesses here are so nice, so friendly. It's been great. Autograph card here, and I was actually surprised to see actually made up to 8 different princesses here. We get to see 5. So we saw Ariel, Belle, Cinderella, Tiana, and Snow White. But you can also see Aurora, Jasmine, and Mulan. So it just kind of depends upon the day. So we're all done with our breakfast and meeting Asha. We're just kind of walking through the World Showcase. It is a Monday at the time of this recording, first week in November, and I'm just amazed with how many people are down here. I thought on Monday it probably wouldn't be that crowded and just people at work or school, but I don't know if people took off or they're on vacation or what, but the crowds are here. They are at Epcot. So here we are in the American Pavilion. I'm here for an item that I wanted for quite a long time, and I was happy when I looked online to see that they were still selling it. So let's see if I can get it. Stopped at the America Pavilion. There is a dessert here that I really like to try. So we'll give it a go and see what it tastes like. So let's try this carrot cake. That's very good. The cake is warm. It has kind of this vanilla icing, very similar to a cinnamon roll. But if you are a carrot cake person, you're really gonna like that. It's really good. So we just finished the Beauty and the Beast sing-along in the France Pavilion, excuse me. That was really good. It's a brand new show, and they basically do all of the different scenes from Beauty and the Beast, but it's all about how LeFou is the hero of the story. So I won't ruin it for you, but definitely check it out next time you're here. It's about 15 to 18 minutes and is in air conditioning, so a great way to kind of take a break and cool down if it's hot.
For nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world. The Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce new powerful harvests now and into the future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Using our nutrient film system, this technique precisely controls the recycling of water. We can produce over
so short.
Platform in your time machine vehicle moving it.
There's only one simple rule. When we move, the recorded line stays behind.
Δύναται υπολογίσεις αστέρων κίνηση με.
From somewhere else.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
So we've had a pretty full day here at Epcot. Meeting Asha was wonderful. She's so nice. It was really cool to be able to meet her and take my picture with her. I know for myself and a lot of other little girls out there, getting a chance to meet her and see her was a dream come true and something that we've always wanted. And it's so good to see that. But the day is not over yet. Now we're going to park up and go over to Animal Kingdom. If you guys have not heard, Dinosaur is actually going to be reimagined, as is all of Dino Land. Sorry, there was a really cute baby. So we're going to go over there, check out Dinosaur, and then probably pick up some merch as well, just so we can commemorate the experience. We went to Test Track, which is also going to be reimagined, and we all got a t-shirt. So I would encourage you to maybe think about doing that if these are attractions that hold special memories for you like they do for us. So here we are at Animal Kingdom. Park closes tonight at 7. It's currently 5:15. So we have a limited time crunch, but we're still going to try to go on Dinosaur, see if we can get on it one last time. And they do have a Christmas tree up at Animal Kingdom, and they are even playing Christmas music, so it seems that a lot of the parks already have their decorations out. Epcot didn't have any Christmas decorations out yet, so I was a little disappointed. But Animal Kingdom, beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that big thing all the way at the top under the star. But really nice. We are in Animal Kingdom now. It's been a long time since I've been in this park. It's normally when I come, it's the summertime and it's super hot and I just don't feel like sweating out, but we're here at night and it's really not that crowded. Most of the crowds have left for the day. The animal attractions are closed because the animals are in bed. I'm interested to see what this park looks like at night. I think it's going to look really nice and pretty. And they're also reimagining It's Tough to Be a Bug, so we'll probably try to get on that as well. And there she is, the Tree of Life. And I just love hearing the Christmas music, and when you go to all the different parks, all of the decorations always fit in so well with the theming. Even the Christmas music, like drum beats, it's perfect. Look at those shirts, they kind of look like the employee shirts. And that backpack's really cute too.
I figured you guys would figure it out.
Where we are headed, Dino Land, USA, soon to be extinct. I can smell it. And even though Dino up there is festive for the season with its Santa hat and lights. Rextronosaurus, all of these things, Dino Bite snacks, all this stuff is going to be reimagined. So this is kind of soon not going to be something you can see very much. So if you're a big Dino Land fan, definitely make sure you come out, get all your fixtures, eat all the treats, because you really enjoy this land. Here we are, Dinosaur. I remember when I was a kid, I used to be terrified of this attraction, and now it's like one of my favorites. So it's just so funny. When I was little, I remember I thought it was all real because, of course, when you're a kid, you think everything's real. And then I remember my dad was like, "Oh, it's just like your toys at home. They're just batteries. They're not real." And then I was like, "Oh, okay." And then I loved it. So for all you parents out there, you know, with little ones that, you know, are afraid of attractions and things like that, maybe try explaining them to them that way, and they'll like it. Good old Alatar. I think Dinosaur is actually a really underrated Disney movie. I really liked that movie when I was little. Some of these artifacts that are in the queue of this ride are real, others are not. So you just gotta read the signs. But I wonder what they're gonna do with all these things.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
Please gather personal belongings from the room in front of you as the individual roll across the complete stop. Time travelers, place all these items in the party.
Get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll!
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor impact.
Brace yourself! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
So it'd be 24.
Because this is like for Dinosaur Land.
Yeah.
don't know about you guys, but I would love to have one of these posters when they do the reimagining. It is now nighttime, so it's even better to be walking around a Dinosaur Land. Definitely getting some Jurassic Park vibes, especially with the epic music in the background. I don't know how many times I've been on that ride, but I will always scream when the dinosaur comes out at the end. Always. So not a ton of dinosaur themed merch in that store. We're gonna check out Chester's and Hester's dinosaur store here and see if there's any Dino Land themed merch that we may want to pick up. We got the Chip and Dale stuffed animals, and we got the Time Rover. So far I'm not getting a ton of Dino Land merch, Kermit the Frog, but just kind of generic Disney merch. I'm wondering if a lot of the dinosaur, themed merch got purchased already. I wonder what's gonna happen to all these little bits and pieces from this train set. It'd be really nice if people had something. So if you're looking for dinosaur themed merch, guys, the only thing that you can get is at the end of the dinosaur ride. And all they have is Chip and Dale for Dino Land, and then the dinosaur actual plush stuffed animals. So just keep that in mind that, there's not a ton left. Chester and Hester's Dinorama. To the right over here is where Primeval Whirl used to be. Now it's just a fence. And all we really have over here is Triceratops Spin. And they still have some of the arcade games that are open as well. I just kind of want to walk around and reminisce and get one last look at this place the way it was.
You think you got what it takes to win? Yeah?
Comet Crasher over there. I think I'm going to take my picture over there, guys. Yeah.
Both sides play at the same time. You still want to play? Are they playing as well? No? Okay. Do you have a game voucher? You buy them right over here to play here. Medium price. That is going to be Mickey or Minnie winner's choice.
They're selling Cars merchandise over here, so I wonder if they're going to end up turning this land into Cars Land. Look at those posters over there, guys. I'm sure those will be taken down. See if I can let you guys see them. off to It's Tough to Be a Bug. This attraction is also going to be reimagined to Zootopia, and I'm like almost positive that Dino Land is going to turn into cars. I'm like positive. Let me know in the comments below what you think it's going to be. Oh, okay, it's just dark. I was like, it was so dark, I was afraid it was closed, guys. Like I said, I haven't been to Animal Kingdom in such a long time, and I've never been here, I think, at night, because normally I come really early in the morning before the heat of the day. So it's just funny. I will say that when I was walking around Dino Land, I was feeling a little sentimental and getting a little choked up, just because I grew up coming here, and Dino Land was a place that I love to play around, like in that boneyard and climb around. So just to think that that's something that's not going to be here anymore makes me a little sad. But I know that of course they're going to change it into something amazing, but it's just a little sad because you think about, you know, that whole sentimental value of like, oh, I'm not going to be able to see that thing that used to mean so much to me. It was like deserted back here. I don't like it. Like we're all alone. Okay, I see It's Tough to Be a Bug posters, so I feel like we're going in the right direction. I've never been in this line before when there haven't been 1,000 people, so I'm just a little nervous. Ooh, chip. Oh, here we are. So here we are. We made it, guys. I would love to get these posters too, guys, just like the other ones. Dinosaur Land. Dino Land, excuse me. So we just finished. So we drove to It's Tough to Be a Bug. Now we're gonna go do some shopping and just see if there's anything in Discovery Trading Company. See what new stuff they have. Light up projection game. Looks just like the ride. Yeah. So here we are in Island Mercantile. This is the second gift shop here. Animal Kingdom sold so many like Christmas merch or just merch in general. I thought it was always very specifically themed to Animal Kingdom. So just know if you can't find something that's a popular item at one of the other parks, you may be able to find it here at Animal Kingdom, because a lot of this merch is like fully stocked and it's like new stuff. so impressed with how pretty Animal Kingdom is for Christmas. I never thought of this park as being super decorated for Christmas time, but I was so wrong. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're back at the Grand Floridian now. We're gonna go and get something to eat at Gasparilla Grill. So that is the quick service option when you're here. It's currently $7.39, so you may also be able to catch some fireworks. Gasparilla Grill does have some pretty sweet views of Magic Kingdom and the fireworks. Right outside of Gasparilla is the marina, and that's kind of the prime viewing spot for fireworks when you're at this resort. So here we are at the marina, and then Gasparilla Grill is to our left, along with the arcade. That restaurant right there is going to be the Grand Floridian Cafe, which is a sit-down option. And then you can see right over there is Magic Kingdom. Do they have a menu?